Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are making grilled cheese and tomato soup. So go ahead and cut an onion in half, and then you're just going to cut that half into quarters, and then you're going to cut or dice up some garlic as well. In a pot, add 4 tablespoons of butter and just put these onions in. You're going to let them slowly simmer on low for about 10 minutes, stirring them occasionally, and go ahead and add that garlic in, and you're going to simmer this together for about 3 minutes. Dump in a can of whole peeled potatoes. You're going to do 1.5 cups of water, and then you're going to do half cup of vegetable stock. I'm going to add in some salt right here, and then I'm going to add in some pepper, and then lastly I'm going to add in just a little bit of sugar. And then we're going to let this simmer for 30-40 minutes on about low to medium heat. And then after that, go ahead and add it into a blender, blend it up, dump it back into that pot. I just added some more salt in for it. And now we're basically done with that. We're going to start the grilled cheese. Split mayonnaise on the side of the grilled cheeses that are going to go down onto the pan, and put butter into your pan and just slowly start cooking the grilled cheeses. You don't want them to burn. So I had this just on a low and slow burn, just slowly get them going. And then since the tomato soup's done, we're going to put that into the bowl. The grilled cheese are done, so we're going to cut the grilled cheese up. And there it is. One of the easier meals. Pretty good. I never knew I liked tomato soup until I made this. So thank you for watching and enjoy.